Hey yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to scan for a successful arbitrage opportunity. And then after scanning for a successful arbitrage opportunity, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this arbitrage opportunity to get a flash loan from furukumbo.com. Those who still don't know what flash loans are decentralized finance loans that you can get without any collateral, without any verification, or without any credit checks. The only thing that you need to know is that you need to pay this loan in the same transactions, right? And for those who still think flash loans are just things that don't work, please go and do your own research before you watch this video. We have made thousands of dollars using flash loans, and I'm here teaching you guys for free. If you haven't subscribed, man, make sure you click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I post a video. I have also given the link to my Telegram channel, my Flash Loan channel, in the description. So if you don't want to miss on anything happening in crypto, how to make money with crypto, then make sure to click that link and join, right? Now, the first app that I'm going to be showing you guys is called Furukumbo. The spelling isn't right, but you need to go to furukumbo.app. The first link that you meet on Google, that's the first link to the site that we're going to be using, right? Now, this is the link to the first tool. I'm going to show you guys how to use this tool. And there is also another special tool that you guys must watch. So let me just be quick. When you come to furukumbo.com, you want to go and click on create. And then after clicking on create, it will take you to a page that looks like this. You can go ahead and connect your wallet because you will need some gas fees to transfer your profits into your account. But one trick that I realized you guys, if you go and connect your wallet first, then you'll face a lot of errors, right? So just leave alone your wallet first, come here and click on add a block, and you can see there are multiple flash loan providers. You can either go with Air version 3, 2, Radiant V2, or Spark, right? So you can choose a flash loan any amount that you want, guys. Regardless that you have the amount, the transaction fees, the gas fees in your wallet, it will work, right? And regardless that you have found a successful arbitrage opportunity. So you guys can see this is USDT. We can take, let's say we can take $100 flash loan. It will work, but why not take 1,000? Why not take 100,000? Why not take a million USDT in flash loans, right? Now, many people are like, wow, I'm gonna get $1 million in flash loans. And then, no, you have to look for what to do with this money so that you get some profits with this money that you get as a flash loan, and then you repay this flash loan back, and then you keep the profit. So we're not after this loan, we are after the profits that we'll make with the loan. So for example, here we are taking 1 million USDT in flash loan. So you click on set, right? After clicking on set, you come back here again. Now you only have two exchanges here. There isn't much going on with Furukumbo. That's why we are developing our own bot, and which will scan the market for us and then execute the flash loans for us. But the disadvantage of Furukumbo is that we only have two decentralized exchanges here. So it's pretty hard, but let me just show you guys examples. So let's click on swap our token on Paraswap. We started with USDT. This was a million USDT. So this first place has to be USDT. Make sure you choose USDT and put a million USDT. Is it done? No. Put a million USDT. We are changing it to DAI. this is just an example before I show you guys how you look for a successful arbitrage opportunity, right? So we have changed it to DAI on Paraswap. Now we need to change DAI back to USDT. So we'll go on Uniswap, and then because we have DAI as the last block here, we change this one to DAI. Nice. Put on the previous, click on previous output, and then we will change this back to USDT and see if we have profits or not. So we wait. Now, then click on this one. Now, in this scenario, we started with $1 million USDT. We are ending up with 99. We are this one isn't profitable, and you can see that it's not profitable, right? Now, this is the hardest part, getting a profitable arbitrage. You can get the flash loan, but you can't get, it's hard to get a profitable arbitrage opportunity for you to do the flash loan with. That's where my Telegram channels come in. That's where my private channel comes in, and I've been able to help people make a lot of money. There's a user that I helped make $2,000 using flash loans. There's someone who made $4,000 using flash loans, and all I do is to teach them, give them the tips, the easiest way to get these flash loans. So if you're interested, you can hit me on Telegram. My username and the link to my channels are in the video description below. You can also join my Telegram channel, see the results that I have been getting and some results that other people have been getting also, right? Now, let me show you guys one trick that I use to get a successful arbitrage opportunity so that we can qualify for this loan right here. Now, if you have a computer, then you are advantaged. If you don't have a computer, man, I don't know how you're going to be doing this. Maybe you ask a friend for a laptop or a computer, or just go to where there is a computer and do this, right? Now, you want to go and download a different browser called Comet. It's a Windows browser. I don't know if it's available on Mac. So make sure you download your Comet browser here. Just click on Comet, download. It will download and then install it on your PC, right? Now, after installing the browser, it will look something like this. The reason why we're using this browser is because it has some AI features that will help us get the flash loan arbitrage opportunities, right? If you're getting lost, just watch until the end, you will understand. So there are two sites that we can use. The first site is CoinGecko. And then the second site is CoinMarketCap. I want you to go to either of these websites. You can either choose to work with CoinGecko, which is a very nice site, or you can go to CoinMarketCap, right? Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using CoinMarketCap. So I'll just delete CoinGecko. Now, there are different ways. The first way is the manual way. You can use to look for these arbitrage opportunities in a manual way, or you can use AI. Let me start by showing you guys the manual way. Now, for the manual way, you want to go and look for a coin. Any coin, just choose any coin. The coin must be volatile, and the coin must have high volume for it to have different prices in different exchanges. So in this case, I'll go with Dogecoin as an example. We're doing this manually. Am I recording? Of course. So we are on Dogecoin. The next thing you need to do is to go to the markets section. Click on markets, and then now you are on the market section. The next thing after going to the market section is to go to the DEX, decentralized exchanges, right? So click on DEX, and we are now able to see all the decentralized exchanges that Dogecoin is listed. Now we can just go ahead and look at the prices of the price of Dogecoin in each of these sites just by just looking, right? So you can see that Pancake Swap V3, BSC, BTC Doge, the price is 0.1433. There's a slight difference here, 14.28, 14.3, 14.34, 35, 14.33. So first of all, you want to look for the most cheapest price. You don't just want to take any decentralized exchange with you can't just do it with any DEX. So you want to look for the cheapest price. Just look at the price tab here, right? You want to look for the cheapest price. For example, we have this. This is not tradable, is it? Can we trade on this BNB stroke Dodge? You can see it's very cheap here, but I don't think we can trade this because I can see this exclamation mark here. Let's go to the next page. We're still looking for the cheapest. Oh, nah, we don't want that one. So for example, we have Squad Swap V2. The price is 0.1426, right? For example, we buy from this exchange and then we sell it to an exchange where the price is high, like Pancake. Sorry, I keep on saying Pancake. Pancake V2 here, right? Now, that's where some of the disadvantages of this comes in, is because when we go back to Furukumbo, we can only see that there are only two decentralized exchanges that are listed, which is Paraswap V5 and Uniswap V3. So that's a challenge that you also have to deal with when you're looking for a flash loan arbitrage opportunity. Now, let me show you guys the easiest way. So on this browser here, you want to look for where it says assistant. It's on the top right of the browser. Click on assistant, click on it, and then you can tell it to look for an arbitrage opportunity for you. So let me just choose my voice. Hey there, I want you to scan CoinMarketCap. It's the site that I've opened. Hey there, I want you to scan CoinMarketCap, this site that I have opened, and I want you to scan Dogecoin specifically. I want you to scan it on the decentralized exchanges, and I am looking for price differences so that I can execute an arbitrage trade. So you guys can see I've told it to look for an arbitrage opportunity for me, use only search for Dogecoin, and I want price differences in the decentralized exchanges. So we'll wait for it to do its thing, give us back the results, and then we can see if we'll be able to use the results or not. You can go try this by yourselves, on yourselves, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. What is it saying? I'm checking your active tabs for mention of Dogecoin decentralized exchange. Like further assistance. Let me just do this. It didn't save. Jesus Christ. Let me just type it in. So I have used a different prompt. I will attach this prompt in the video description so that you guys can also get access to it. You can see the blue area. It's now scrolling the page. It will look for the price differences, and then let's wait for the results. You guys can see it's scrolling, it's looking at the page, it's looking at the texts. All we need to do is to just wait. It is done. So based on my comprehensive scan of all dexes, listing blah 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 blah, here are some of the significant price differences for Dodge arbitrage opportunity. Now you guys can see that the AI has scanned this site for us, and we have the flash loan opportunities. So top arbitrage opportunities ranked by spread, extreme outlier, okay, DeFi chain dex, row blah blah. The price here is 0.198 on different blockchain DeFi pricing versus BSC pricing here is 0.11434 or 0.1436. There is an 86%, 86.2% difference in spread. This is on different blockchain. So bridging, converting will be required, making this impractical for direct arbitrage. Now, this first one is not practical for direct arbitrage, but I showed you guys something called bridging. I'll show you guys something called bridging arbitrage or inter-network arbitrage, where you can do an arbitrage between two different networks such as BSC, Ethereum, Optimism. So you can do an arbitrage through bridging through those networks, right? There's a second opportunity. So Uniswap v4, BNB stroke Dodge. You can see the price here 0.141403 versus average price of 0.1434. There's a slight difference, spread difference 2.2%. You can see that there's a very, very slight difference here. Volume, blah, blah, blah. Right? So I'm not going to be showing you guys how to do the execution, because if I do that, then I won't have anything to teach to my private members. So you guys can see that we have gotten the arbitrage opportunities. You guys go try it out for yourself. If you like the content that I'm putting out, come on, there's no one else putting this type of content showing you guys these valuable stuff online. With that said, guys, let's meet in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and make sure to join my Telegram channel.